तब लगता है जब ये बच्चे गार्बेज बिन में खाना ढूंढते हैं और एक नहीं, एक साथ 40 बच्चे 50 बच्चे बिल्ली डॉगी मिलकर और गार्बेज बिन में कुछ भी नहीं होता। Bezuban Public Welfare Trust, official Bezuban Trust is all about myself, Hema Chaudhary and my mother Anjali Chaudhary have started from one dog down the building to around the street, around our area where every day we go and come back from your walk and your daily routine. So we started feeding one dog, one cat. So one dog never, next day when you go to feed them, so the one to ka four dog was sitting with them. Probably they called their siblings or mother or friend. Yes, she has given me food yesterday. Give her also food. So 1, 2, it is like 3, 4, 5, 6 karke. It's like then we started. We have an ambulance now, with the grace of God. We have registered our trust in 2015, which is called Bezuban Public Welfare Trust, based in Mumbai. So our only target, my mother always say, my mother's dream is to feed all the possible animals come across you. Because many people say, street dogs are fighters. They can snatch the food from the garbage bin and they can fill their stomach. Also, there is no food available in the garbage bin also. It's like that, Once I've seen in UAE, Dubai, outside of a hotel, one cat was trying to, peep into garbage bin, and Dubai has few street cats I have seen. So always garbage bins are not fill up with food for them, that please come and eat. So it's humankind, it's us who have to give them. They are voiceless, they cannot ask you food, give me food. So, like wildlife people, wildlife animals, wildlife fraternity, they say they feed, provide, they have funds. As for the street animals, street cats and dogs, there is no facility from the government. There are few feeders are there. So, official Bezuban Trust is all about our first priority, and currently we are feeding more than 1,000 animals every day, 500 to 600 dogs every day, 365 days. Few areas are there where we feed every day. The dogs are depend on us, and the dogs are not depend on us. Depend on us also. We go 25 to 30 kilometers away also, like airport areas, the beaches areas. There are ample of dogs, like 200 dogs in one side. Weekly thrice we go. So if we get more help, more donation, more food products, we will try and provide. That's our first priority, to feed them. Then while feeding, we can see who's pregnant, who's ill, who needs surgery, who needs. Old dogs are there, blind dogs are there. There are many kind of illness. So we pick them up. This shelter I have made, which is very helpless dog. It's like every dog, every animal need a shelter. Of course, after eating once, you need to sleep rain free. You need to sleep in a heat free 40 degree you want to avoid in a cool place. So if government wants or whatever every individual donate or contribute, I think we will reach that goal very soon. Now official Besuvan Trust, we want to sterilize AVC birth control because this we cannot see. They are innocent. Once they are here in this world, first we will try and not to, not let them come in this world, but these beautiful angels, when they arrive in the world, they deserve to live a good life. Hai na ma? She's telling yes, of course, you're right. The appeal is that, it was my dream, my Besuvan's dream from so many years when we used to go and feed individually one by one dog, cats and cattle, जितने भी street animals है, तो हमेशा के था कि बच्चों के लिए एक शेल्टर हो, केज फ्री हो, बच्चे खाए पिए घूमे खेले एक दूसरे के साथ. So that dream is almost 30% fulfilled. Though you can see my shelter, lot of ample of place, but हर एक के लिए अलग, इनके लिए रूम चाहिए, पंखे चाहिए, एंड गर्मी में कूलर चाहिए, ठंडा पानी पीते हैं, स्टेल फूड नहीं दे सकते, और नीचे शेल्टर के जितने भी बच्चे और रोड पे सबको खाना खिलाते. तो इट्स माई अपील कि इफ I will always talk about the world because world is ours, mother nature and the sky and the whole planet is ours because they are mother nature's creature. I always, as I say, so अपील ये है कि अगर every citizen, every human, if they donate a small contribution also, a part of amount, or provide them food product or maybe shelter, maybe clinical facility or clinical bills or little bit effort, so I think street animals will have a better life because 5% people appeal for them. और जितने भी human kind, जितने भी NGOs है, they can speak out loud. They feel hungry, they feel pain, they talk. कि we are feeling hungry today. हमको आज दर्द हो रहा है यहाँ पे, and please provide us medical facility or operate us or feed us, which the voiceless cannot speak. ये बोल नहीं सकते. And बहुत I will say दुनिया में बहुत ऐसे 5% लोग ही है जो इनको we can communicate with the animals. We can actually the feeders who feeds them, who treats them. While wagging tail or while their own language they howling or something, they can talk out what they want. So understand that, feel that, and so आपको और हमें food इनको provide करना है, वो भी hygienic food. और वो कचरा 4 दिन 5 दिन स्टेल नॉन वेज वेजिटेरियन जो सड़ जाता है, आप किसी इंसान को, किसी बेगस को भी वो फूड प्रोडक्ट लाके दोगे, प्रोटेस्ट करेगा, नहीं खाएगा, बट इनके पास कोई रास्ता नहीं है. सो अगर हर सिटी में गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से इंडिविजुअली ह्यूमन काइंड और कोई एनजीओज मिलके भी इनके लिए थोड़ा सा भी खाने पीने की प्रोवाइड करे, स्टेरिलाइजेशन कर दे, तो आई थिंक बेजुबान का गोल ही यही है कि मेरा पर्सनली गोल ये है कि अगले 10 साल में हम स्ट्रीट डॉग्स एंड कैट फ्री कर सकते हैं हर एक सिटी को. ओनली 10 years, मैंने बहुत मैक्सिमम बोला. सो गाइस प्लीज फीड. आई ऑलवेज से मेरे एम्पल ऑफ वीडियोज आर देयर, बट स्टिल अपील हैज टू बी, जब तक का हमें गोल पूरा नहीं हो जाए तो अपील चालू रखिए. प्लीज प्रोवाइड फूड फॉर देम.